I recently bought a pack of flat washers from Dirgo, and let me tell you, I did it so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I'll break down my experience with these 10-pack square strut washer plates, including why they might just be the perfect fit for your next project. Product number 1, Dirgo 10-pack square strut washer plate. When I first stumbled upon the Dirgo 10-pack square strut washer plate, I was on a mission to find some reliable flat washers for a DIY project I had in mind. These washers are made from Q235B carbon steel, coated with zinc for added durability. Just looking at them, I could see they had a solid build. I remember the moment I opened the package. The weight of the washers in my hand felt reassuring. Each washer measures 2 inches by 2 inches with a thickness of 4.5 millimeters. This size is perfect for the 1/2 inch bolts I was using. I remember thinking, finally, something that fits perfectly. I took them out to my workshop, and the first thing I noticed was how well they sat against the surfaces I was working with. The flat design offered a stable base, ensuring everything was secure and well supported. I was working on a wooden structure, and these washers distributed the load evenly, which was crucial for the integrity of the build. I can't tell you how many times I've used washers in the past that were flimsy or didn't fit right, leading to frustrating delays. But with these Dirgo washers, I felt confident. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the material is robust and resistant to corrosion thanks to that zinc finish. It's designed to last, which is essential for any project exposed to the elements. The size is spot on for standard applications, and the fact that you get 10 in a pack means you have enough to complete various tasks without needing to run to the store. On the downside, the only thing I could nitpick is that it would have been nice to have a variety pack with different sizes, just in case I needed something smaller or larger. But honestly, this is a minor issue considering the quality. So why buy the Dirgo 10-pack square strut washer plate? If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who regularly tackles home improvement projects, these washers will not disappoint. They are affordable at $15.99 and deliver reliability when you need it most. Trust me, having the right hardware can make or break your project. This pack is an essential addition to your toolkit, and I wholeheartedly recommend it for anyone looking to ensure their builds are secure and long-lasting. In conclusion, the Dirgo 10-pack square strut washer plates are a top-notch choice for anyone in need of durable and reliable flat washers. They won't let you down, and at a great price point, they're definitely worth the investment. Happy building!